friends. Today we want to continue the problems on Polygon by solving the question on the board. We have this seven-sided polygon. Let's see how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7 sides. And we need to, they ask us to calculate the sizes of angles x and 2x. So we can do so by calculating the sum of the interior angles. The sum of the interior angle, and it is given by the formula where the sum of interior angle is given by n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So n is 7 sides. So we have 7 minus 2 times 180. So that gives you 5 times 180. And that is what? 900 degrees. 5 times 180 is 900 when you press your calculator. So all this angle now, the addition is 900 degrees. But we have to calculate x. So we know that x here is on a straight line. So we say 180 minus x, sum of angle on a straight line. Likewise, this one as well is on a straight line, and 60 degrees is the angle on a straight line with this angle. So 180 minus 60, and that is 120 degrees. Similarly, this angle is also on a straight line with 2x. That will give you 180 minus 2x. Likewise, this 90 is on a straight line here, so this one will be 90 degrees because this is angle 90. This is x, the angle on a straight line. Angle with this one will be 180 minus 2x. So we've known each interior angle. So each interior angle will be equals to 90 degrees. So let's add them up and equate it to be 90 degrees. So let's start from 120. So we have 120 plus 180 minus x, this one, plus 121 plus 180 minus x, 180 minus x. This is actually x. This side is 180 minus x plus 90 plus 136 degrees plus 180 minus 2x. Everything will be equals to 900. So let's add up now. So we add 120 plus 180 plus 121 plus 180 plus 90 plus 136 plus 180 equals to 1007. So this place is 1007. So let's add all the x now. Minus x will give you minus 2x. Minus 2x minus 2x, that will be minus 4x. So minus 4x equals to 900 degrees minus 1007 degrees. When we take this to the other side, change this to minus. So we have minus 4x. So let's subtract it now. We'll get a negative answer because 900 is lower than 1007. So minus 900. So 107. So we divide both sides by 4. So this will give you minus 4 cancels minus 4. So we divide by 4. So we get 26.75 degrees. So our x is 26.75 degrees. Our 2x will give you 2 times 26.75. We multiply it by 2, and that will give you 53.5 degrees. So I think you have learned something today. See you in my next video. Bye.